Alright, welcome back to Haunted Gun Calvin's massive workshop and facilities here on the west coast of Canada. Anyway, back year two here, starting the prop. I was hoping to get 3 props done this year, but I just don't have the time. I'm actually running out of time and we're already well in past mid-August, and yeah, I've got 1 small prop done and starting on my big one right now. So I'm going to do another zombie again this year, another moving zombie. I'm not going to give you too many details now. You have to wait till the end of the video to see what I'm going to do with this one. But got it all stained. There's the white plastic it comes with, and I like to do this kind of yellowy brown cedar stain. Kind of gives, I like what looks to me like old bone, especially once I start getting skin and everything on it. So yeah, here to start that process, getting some skin on the skelly, making it into a zombie. So I've already separated some of my paper towel. So I like to use paper towel for the main big chunks of skin where I need a little bit more stability in that, and then I go with toilet paper for my more fleshy bits and stuff. It's just being it's a lot softer, so it's easy to kind of clump it up a little bit better and move it around a little better than the paper towel. Like I say, the paper towel I find good for putting across big areas like that and filling in gaps. It's a little stiffer, so I can fill in gaps through the ribs and stuff, and it makes some skin, because this will be the first year I'm going to be trying some guts. A little bit of a hint though, this will be up and I'm hoping to have some guts hanging from the torso. I am going to attach the backbone to this point. I took off the pelvis and legs, and we're just going to have this at this point, and that's all the hints we go from there. Like I say, I have to wait till the end of the videos to see exactly what I'm going to do with this. So we're going to get started on all the skin. Got my liquid latex right here, cheap dollar store brush, and actually going to probably get out my heat gun too to dry everything quicker.